Hello. Welcome to another shop with me video today. I'm at Burlington. Let's quickly see what they have in the store. Look at this bag. I love this bag so much. I love the structure. Okay, with this scarf, nicely wrapped. Look at this. The strap is nicely covered. I love this. I don't have anything like this. I don't think it will be bad to get something like this. I love this. It looks different. For 16.99, not bad. It is new in the store, and the leather feels so. It feels good actually. I love that. Okay, I will come back to that. I love it. And then here, this big bag. This is big shoulder bag, and this one is 19.99. I love the color. Up here we have this crossbody bag. This is by Tommy, and this one is 22.99, and this was $98. Not bad. Here we have same bag, different color for 22.99. Okay, behind is more bags. They have more bags. I love this color. This is crossbody bag for 16.99. This is by Guess. Good shoulder bag. This is actually will not be enough. That should be top handle bag. Okay, and this one is 34.99. And this big bag we saw the last time I was in the store. Store price. Let's see if we can pick store price. This one is 19.99. Up here is a new bag in the store, and this one is 22.99. This was $78 by Klein. And look at this for 12.99. Not bad, not bad. Okay, they have new backpacks. This one is 21.99. And yeah, more backpack. This is by West. The quality is so good for 24.99. Good. And here they have more black handbags, backpacks, different types of bags. Okay, so look at this. All right, this is 21.99. I love the size with gold zip closure. Up here is, yeah, the bag we saw. This is in black color, same price for 19.99. Good. More backpack. This one is by Juicy Couture. Okay, and this is 29.99. It's very big. Very big. Okay. I'm struggling with cold. My voice. Okay, we'll see what we can do. Alright. Look at this structured bag. I love this. Yeah, it looks good. And this one is 16.99. Affordable. Up here we have this one by True Religion. Yeah, nicely done. The price for this one is, let's say, $37.99. I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you that shared my video. Thank you so much. Please, if you like my type of video, consider sharing. Like this video. That's the only way. All right. Thank you so much. I like this one as well. Look at this. Yeah, the quality looks so good for $29.99. And here we have this one. This looks like Tory Burch. Alright, interesting tote bag. I love it. And I'm looking for a bag like this. Yeah, something like this. I'm looking for it. This will be perfect for traveling for $14.99. More black handbags. Alright, yeah. Look at that. Yes. Look at this one. Okay, and this is $24.99. Okay, this is more top handle bags. This one is 19.99. Interesting bags. Okay. All right, behind me, look, we are looking at this metallic wallet with two zipper. I love these. This looks so good. The quality is there. All right, interesting for $8.99. Oh, I love this. It looks good. Okay, and the quality is so good. It is so good. This is so good. I love it. I wish if I see this in black, I wouldn't mind. I'll jump in. Trust me. I'll jump in. I can actually hold this like this. It's big enough. Very good. A more double zipper. Yeah, double zip closure wallet. This one is $7.99. This is actually wrist wallet. Very good. Wrist bag. And this one, look at the size. This one is crossbody bag by Tommy for $24.99. This was $98 for $24.99. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, let me take you to top section. Oh, let me see. I'm seeing something very interesting. Oh my God. Okay, the side drew my attention. But yeah, with this happening at the front, it's too busy for my liking. But yeah, if you are all about this, come to Burlington. They got you covered. $9.99. Good, good girl. This is very good structured clutch bag. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. For $24.99. Good, good. Okay. Let's go to the front and see what they have there. Okay, this got my attention. Let me show you. This is new in the store with two deep front pocket for $16.99. Okay, and this is in size medium. I've seen it XY. Very good. I love it. The quality is so good. And also they have these ones new in the store as well. Very good. They feel so good, nicely made. Yeah, this will be perfect for next season. This is the time to buy and keep buying for fall and winter. This is by Express. Okay, they have it in different colors, different sizes. It is new in the store. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, they have this interesting tops. This one is by CK, new in the store. They have it in different sizes here. This was $69 today. You get it for, let's see, you get it for $19.99 today. Good, good, good. Here we have this one. Interesting tailored pants with belts. This one is $13.99. I love the color. Yeah, very good. And they have it in different sizes, same price. Okay. And here we are looking at these skinny jeans. Very good. Okay. Interesting ankle skinny jeans for $16.99. And here we have this olive satin top. This will be perfect for office use by Klein for $59.99. This was $59.99. And today you get it for $24.99. And they have it in size medium, size small in the store. Okay, look at this top. Very good. No, actually, this is a dress. We are doing burgundy this year. Look at that. This color is very good for next season, and this will be perfect for, yeah, good event. All right, look at that. Very good for $24.99. Not bad. Okay, let's keep going. Here, this is more, yeah, new pants. The color is given. Very good. Let's check out the price. The price for these is $14.99. All right, I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell, share. If you see what you like and we did not touch or talk about it, go to any Burlington near you. You will see, trust me, you will definitely get something for yourself. Bye for now.